Hi there. Thanks so much for joining me on our demo today. My name's Raph, here to show you how agencies use Sked Social to simplify their workflows, which then saves them hours of time every single week for each one of their clients. Sked Social is the all-in-one social media management platform that caters specifically to the agency workflow, providing them with an enterprise solution, but without the price tag. Let's jump right into it. Here at Sked, many of our agency customers tend to work with a content lead time of about a month for many of their clients. If your clients want to be seeing an entire month's worth of content being sent to them for approvals, this is definitely the place to start. We've built our bulk upload process to let you easily schedule any number of posts, no matter the type, with the ability to publish them across any channel of your choosing simultaneously as well. If you're looking to incorporate Instagram story publishing into the mix of content that you're creating on behalf of your clients, Sked is one of, if not the only platform that offers Instagram story publishing automatically for stories. What we're looking at here right now is a video file that we've uploaded from our library. Because it's a video file, its default format is going to be a reel. What we want to look at is actually toggling this slider on so that it's turned into an Instagram story. Sked actually has the ability to include link stickers. So any valid URL you can paste into that link sticker URL section. You'll have the ability to also change the call to action. So any booking links, purchasing links that your clients want to be sharing with their dedicated community, they'll be able to do that and actually change the call to action there. You can change the vertical placement. And from there, the post is pretty much done and ready to publish. The best part is the fact that I no longer have to rely on push notifications, reminding me to post. I can go ahead and select a specific time and date for publishing, and you can bet that Sked will actually publish it at that exact time without you having to come in on your weekends or holidays to, publish any of the story content. Sked also allows you to lay out your month's content across your team's calendar, color code your profile so you know which posts are scheduled for which platform, and drag and drop posts to reschedule as you see fit. And as you move posts around, check the visual planner to see a preview of your feed's layout and how it matches up with your brand aesthetic. With all that content ready to go, what we're looking at right now is the upcoming post section, which is a singular feed that shows everything pending posting for the selected accounts. What this allows you to do is actually for your internal team, select a number of different statuses that you can attach to each of these outgoing posts. You'll see by default, they start in draft, but then I can select these in bulk, ready to review, ready to publish, rejected are the default stages that you can now select to attach to each one of these posts. But with the customizable nature of this approval workflow, you'll be able to add additional stages, title them however you like, and make sure that the customized process on Sked is set up to match what your internal workflow already looks like. In the approval section of the platform, you can create unique links that provide your clients with external portals through which they can access entire shared calendars, grid previews, and only the posts that you want them to review, all without requiring them to sign up or log into anything. When reviewing content, they'll have the option to approve a post, which would then publish your content at a pre-selected time, or they can request a change, or in other words, reject a post, which will give your clients the ability to provide feedback on what they'd like to see revised. The best part is that the approval process is completely customizable, which means we can mold that workflow to match up with your ideal process. The reporting overview is definitely one of the most important aspects of the Sked Social platform. If you're looking to gain insight as to what's performing best as far as what you're doing in regards to your posting habits, the reporting section is definitely the place to reference. You can set custom timeframes and comparison periods for your analytics, which will break down what posts perform best for your clients within a specific reporting period, how many new followers you've helped them gain and what specific activity caused those spikes in new followers, which posts reach the largest audiences, and what times you should be posting at to drive even greater results. Sked also offers an in-depth competitor analysis that allows you to track profiles of your choosing. You can get a detailed walkthrough of their posting habits. You can even get a visual overview of what specific posts have performed best for your clients' competitors, so you know what exactly similar audiences want to be seeing out of your content. Custom reports is probably the favorite feature when it comes to the reporting aspect, just because it tends to save most people the most amount of time. What we'll do here is create a report. select to recur. We can select the different profiles that we want included in this report itself. I can now select the frequency in which I'll get this automatic export. I can attach the various campaigns that I want to this report as well. I can title the report however I like, and I can even select the team members that I want included in that report as well. Select all the different inclusions that I want represented in that comprehensive export, hit next. What we look to do is automate that experience so that you no longer have to do this very manually. All the metrics, all the statistics that exist on Sked, we look to really produce a comprehensive slide deck out of. We already have all the different information handy. We might as well give it to you in a very easily digestible kind of visual representation here. So the best part about it is the fact that we've set this to recur. So that way, despite it only taking 5 seconds to set up, we don't even have to do that process. At the first of every month, we'll now receive a report covering the month prior as comprehensive as this. If that all sounds good and you'd like to learn more, I'd love to set up a time for us to chat where I can personally set you up with custom plan and pricing options based specifically on your number of profiles and the features that you need. You can also head directly to our website to sign up for a trial to test the platform for yourselves. Or if you have an active trial already, hit the live chat button, let our support team know that Rap sent you, and we'd be happy to hook you up with a few extra days to keep testing. Thanks so much.